Most people never achieve what they truly want in life, and it's not because they lack talent. It's not because they lack opportunities. It's not even because life treats them unfairly. The truth is simple. Most people never define what they want. They don't know their destination, so how can they ever reach it? A recent study revealed that less than 3% of people set clear goals. Only 3% have a real direction. Only 3% know where they are going. If you don't have a target, you cannot reach your full potential. If you don't have goals, you will never achieve your dreams because the chances of accidentally falling into success are almost zero. Some people say, "I just want to be successful. I want to be rich." But these are not goals. These are wishes. And wishes don't come true on their own. You must be specific. Know exactly what you want out of life. Understand how you will get it, and work until it becomes reality. Define what you want. Write it down. Read it to yourself every day. Let it enter your mind so deeply that it becomes part of you. You must step forward and seize your dream. Claim it. Tell yourself clearly, "This is what I want. This is how I will get it, and I will do whatever it takes." Most people end up nowhere because they never decide where somewhere even is. They drift through life without direction, then wonder why they feel lost. Don't be like that. You know better. Be among the rare few who know exactly where they're headed, who work to improve every area of life, who feel excitement when they think about the next level. If your goals are easy to reach, they're not big enough. Set goals that challenge you, goals that excite you, goals that scare you just a little. Because if something is truly important to you, you'll make it happen. If it's not, you'll find excuses. How badly do you want it? Some people say they have goals, yet they never take action. They get overwhelmed. But any impossible goal becomes possible when you break it down into small actions. Start, move, build momentum. Once you begin, you won't want to stop. You'll reach your goal land, then aim higher. Bigger targets, greater achievements. So you have your goal, you have your plan, you have your action steps. Now you need one more thing, your reason why. Why must you achieve this? Find a deep emotional purpose, sure why, that keeps you moving even when things get tough. Because you will never meet a truly successful person who doesn't set goals. The chances of finding what you want without a clear target are almost zero. If you don't know where you're going, you will end up somewhere you don't want to be. That's why goal setting must be your #1 priority. Define exactly what you want, your end goal, your dream. If you want success in any area, you must have goals. There is no way around it. Goals give life direction. They give you a reason to wake up each morning. They give every day meaning. When setting goals, remember, if it doesn't challenge you, it won't change you. Set goals that others think are crazy. Goals so big, you must grow into the person capable of achieving them. Tell yourself, "I will achieve my goal. I will leave no doubt in my mind. I will take every action needed to create the life I want." A dream is simply imagining what is possible. But planning and goal setting make that dream come alive. They give the dream a heartbeat. Everyone has dreams, but only a few write down their goals. And we admire those few because they are the ones living life at the next level. Most people stay low, like bass, while those with goals rise high, like treble. There is no reason for you to settle. You can win. You can rise. You can transform your life simply by setting goals and acting on them. Because when dreams become reality, the frowns disappear and turn into smiles. Execution is powerful, but without goals, execution is dead. People without goals end up working for those who have them. Without direction, life stands still like a statue. So ask yourself, how can you hit a target that doesn't exist? Whether your goals are small or long like a giraffe's neck, give yourself clarity by creating and following a plan. Once your plan is in place, your vision becomes clear. You stand taller. you feel stronger. You know what to do and when to do it. And when opportunity knocks, you'll be ready. So the choice is yours. They say, a dream without goals is just a dream. If you refuse to set goals, you might as well go back to sleep, because the dream will seem more real there.